Hello my lovely crafties, I'm back with a new fun video as I have polled in the community post which DIY journal diary should I make next, vintage Wednesday Adam theme or galaxy. So the galaxy one won, but I had already a few requests of Wednesday Adam Diary and I was also working on it, so here it is. And also don't worry, I'll make a galaxy theme journal diary also. Just stay tuned to my channel, and if you're new then don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button so that you don't miss any further video. So back to the video, I had also print out a design you can see of the Eric and Wednesday. So I'm going to paste it on the diary and make the web window design for a smaller diary. I will show it later in the video. You can also get a printout or just make this web window and color it. It looks great on its own. So here is a circle of radius 5.5 centimeter and I'm showing you how to make the web design. I had already drawn it with pencil and I'm using a black sketch pen to draw it. It's very easy to make and you can use colors of your choice also. Isn't it look great? And I'm now coloring it with sketch pens. You can use any other color also, like acrylic paint. So here it is, pretty, so pretty and colorful, and I'm pasting on this small diary. So I hope you had fun watching the video and stay tuned till the next one. Lots of love from Crafters World. Stay healthy, stay tuned, and thank you for watching.